Just chilling. Oh man, it's been a long day at the office today. Oh, did y'all hear that? That noise. What the heck? Check this room right here. Thought I was the only one hearing. Nothing in here, huh? No, nothing in there. What is that? Oh, can't be in there. Let's see. Huh? No, it's not in there. Can't be. Maybe it's in here. What are you doing?